Good day everyone! Today I will make a shower plastic bottle for my nephews and niece to enjoy. I will be using this plastic bottle, this candle, this 1-inch nail, and this long nose pliers. Let's light the candle. Using this long nose pliers, hold the nail and hit it on the fire of the candle. Then punch the heated nail on the bottom of the bottle to create holes. It's easier to punch holes because the nail is hot. Then create the pattern you like. The shape of the pattern I'm making is like a star. I love making simple projects like this because my nephews and my niece will love it, and it's a good way to cool off the heat of summer while enjoying the drops of water of my shower plastic bottle. I'm excited to see the reactions of my little visitors, and I hope that the experience, how simple it may be, leaves a happy and lasting memory that they will carry as they grow. By the way, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell for more of my videos. Then just continue punching holes until you're satisfied with the pattern. After punching holes, I will attach these strings so that I can hang the plastic shower bottle. Then I will insert this water hose, which will serve as a source of water for the shower. I will tie the water hose on the branch of the tree so that it will not drop when we open the faucet. And that's it, we have an outdoor shower.